The Prince George real estate market is seeing a recovery from the recession, just like most cities across BC. But unlike Vancouver, where the average house price has fallen over the last year, the average house price in Prince George is continuing to stay stable.
The Prince George real estate market is currently in a housing hibernation. The houses all covered in snow for the winter brings the market to much of a standstill. But that could soon change. With the resource sector and healthcare continuing to grow in the north, demand for higher-end housing or executive housing is expected to grow.
We have the cancer clinic is here, and Northern Health is a big producer of mid-level executives that are coming in. We have all sorts of mining, and sawmilling is back into full swing again. So that's where our executives are coming from.
The average price of a house fell in BC by $31,000 in just over the past year. That coincides with a price decline in Vancouver of about $27,000 from 2011 to 2012. But prices in Prince George have stayed steady, with houses going up in value by an average of $5,000.
Our prices on average are lower compared to the rest of the province. However, they seem to be a lot more stable. And our prices have been increasing more on a percentage basis than the rest of the province.
John Stevens at Integris Credit Union is finding with interest rates so low and the abundance of land helps keep Prince George homes so affordable.
With the higher prices at $400,000 or $500,000, that's still well below the average house price in BC. And with higher per capita income, our housing affordability is very high here. So that's why we're able to have our house. Both couples usually work, but then we're also able to still do recreational items and holidays and that.
The Northern BC Real Estate Board is seeing houses in different segments stay on the market longer than others.
The entry-level homes and the mid-level homes are, if they're priced properly and they're updated, they're going fairly quickly. And then with the higher-end executive homes, they tend to stay on the market a little bit longer, only because of demographics.
So realtors, the banks, and sellers alike are hoping that as soon as we thaw from winter, the real estate market will also heat up with the temperatures. Zamir Karim, CKPG News.